Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today I'm here to give you a status update on the current coronavirus situation and Quadratec. Now the great news is Quadratec is open for business. This event is very unfortunate and unlike anything we've ever seen before, but our customer service team and sales teams are still taking calls, answering your questions, and placing orders. And of course the website is up and running for you to continue placing orders as usual. Our fulfillment team is taking appropriate precautions and shipping your packages. Now don't be surprised if you call us and hear a dog barking or children playing in the background, as most of our employees are now working remotely and are ready to assist you. Now we're encouraging everyone to look at the positive side of the current restrictions on social distancing. Spend some time working on your latest Jeep project and enjoying time with your family. Now if you need some ideas to pass the time, we have over 1,000 hours of content on our YouTube channel and over 700 pages of information, how-to articles, and more on the blog at Quadratec.com. Of course, we encourage everyone to follow all guidelines from government health agencies, practice good social distancing and hand washing so we can slow and hopefully stop the spread of the coronavirus and get back to the normal way of life and doing the things we love as soon as possible. Our thoughts and prayers are with everyone impacted by this challenging situation, and if anything changes, our website and social media channels will have that information for you. Of course, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll be sure to catch all the latest from us here at Quadratec. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.